Hi Clementines. Today I'm going to show you how to make a banana butterfly. And when you're all done making it, you can eat it. We're wrapping up butterflies this week, so I thought this would be a fun way to end our study. To make this banana butterfly, you'll need a few things. A banana, some peanut butter or other nut-free butter like sun butter or soy butter, some pretzels, and raisins, or I didn't have raisins, so I'm using chocolate chips. First thing we need to do is peel our banana. Okay, and then Mom and Dad, you could help with a knife, or if your kids are helping, you can just cut with a plastic spoon. And you cut your banana into several sections. And you can make 4 little butterflies. Next, you take your peanut butter or your nut-free butter, and you can spread some peanut butter on it. You line the raisins or I have chocolate chips. Just line these up. And then for the face, you put a little peanut butter on the front. And you can stick your eyes right there. After you've got your peanut butter and your chocolate chips or raisins on, then you take your pretzels and you just push into the side of the banana. And there you have a butterfly. Enjoy!